simple side hustle that grows over time. If you take action now and you nurture it daily, you will find success with this. Guys, in this video, I will show you a simple emailing platform where we take affiliate offers, place in an email, and then place that email into the emailing platform that goes out to leads that we receive every single day. If you are new to this video, you are here because you are looking for a simple way of making some money on the side, right? Well, this is a good place to do it because this is a very, very easy method. So stick around, just kind of take a look, see if any of it seems intriguing to you and if it actually seems that simple, because all we really do is copy and paste. Guys, if you've been watching, you've been following my series, I'm glad you're here. This is day 52, and let's head over to the platform. Here we go. This is my lead gen secret for all you new watchers. Thanks for being here. Stick around because what you're about to see is going to be, if you're not familiar with email marketing, then this is going to be one of the easiest things you've ever seen. It truly is. Um, Not to mention, as simple as this is, it's also something that can be scaled up a bit too. So that's nice. I have a series. You're actually in the middle of a series that I've been working on. If you go to my YouTube channel and click on playlist and go to MLGS series, that's where you'll find the training for my lead gen secret. Start with day one and then work your way up from there. It'll tell you how to get started, how to get it going, and how to earn the commissions, and then just start following through from there. And if there are any questions, I do have my number at the bottom of the screen there. Feel free to text me. That is my direct number. Or you can leave a comment in the video. So let's get moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here so you guys can see that. And I'm going to go, we are promoting MLGS, and this is day 5. This is the last one for MLGS. I'm not sure what the next offer will be, but make sure that you continue watching so you can find out what that next offer is if you're interested. If not, you guys can continue cycling through. We've already done several up to this point. At any given time, you can go back and start cycling through other offers that we've already done, which is probably what I'll do. We'll probably just go back to ClickBank and just grab an offer that we've previously used. Or I know there was one in Warrior Plus that I need to check on that too. I know there was one in Warrior Plus that had intrigued me, and so I'll probably take a moment at some point at my earliest convenience, check it out, and see how that's going. All right, so this is my first account. If you guys have multiple accounts, remember, whenever you're promoting my lead gen secret, you want to use the affiliate link to your most recent account. This one is not my most recent, so I'm actually going to log out of that one. Log out. There we go. Log in. Okay, and there it is. And if I go to the affiliate tab here, here are different landing pages. I really like the sizzle page. I really tried the splash page. I don't know if I want to do that one or the info. I kind of forget what the info page is. Let's take a look. All right, this is the info page, and that's really it. That is it. Earn generous commissions on 5 levels. I mean, we could try this one. I haven't used it, so you know what? Always test these things out. Try different ones. I usually use the sizzle page when I remember to come here and use it. Otherwise, it's the normal sales page, which was the that page you saw when I logged in. And let's go ahead and copy that. I'm going to do the info page. Feel free to grab whatever one that you like. Check them out. Go to them. Look at it. See if that's, if you think that that's appealing. All right, now that I have that, I'm going to go to my Google Docs and scroll all the way down. I do not have this one set up, so I'm going to do that real quick. Go ahead and bold, underline, cap lock, email. What number is this one? 131. All right. Take this stuff off. Paste, return. Okay, so I have that. I'm going to go ahead and paste that link right up there so that way I have it just in the event. Sometimes if you go to the mailing system, and I know I've explained this before, but you go ahead and you select your leads, you get everything posted in here, and sometimes if you take too long, MLGS will time out, and you'll go to hit send email, and then it'll just take it to the login screen. You got to re-log in and then do it all over because none of it took. So, and if I've already got everything set up in here, for whatever reason, you go to a different tab. If you watch, see, I've got that over there. If I go to a different tab and then go back, it resets. So just for resetting purposes, accidental resetting purposes, it's just a good idea to have that here. So, okay, and now we want to grab an email, which if you guys have been following along, you know that I have used ChatGPT to create these emails. Another way you can do this, if you haven't seen already, if you go to the affiliate tab and you scroll down, here's the compensation plan. So you can read up on this and get an idea of how that works. If there is any confusion on that, go back to day one. My buddy Drew explains exactly how all that works. And then anyway, so if you keep scrolling down, here are some emails, and you can use these. And after you've used them once, you can just copy them and take them over to ChatGPT and have it rewrite those emails for you. So you can consistently just reuse and reuse, and ChatGPT will rewrite them as many times as you need it to. So unlimited supply of emails right there. I've already got mine, and go ahead and copy this. Not print, copy. Take it back over to the Google Docs. Pop that sucker in there. It's still all on the same page. What just happened? Well, there's the email. Email 5. I'm not even sure what just happened. Did I just overwrite where I had my email? Let's do this. I'm going to undo because I'm not sure what happened. All right, so there's that. Control V. Oh, it put in all. I see what it did. Look at that. I did not highlight all that. That is, why did you do that? This is all I wanted. I just wanted this. That's it. I don't know how all the rest of those emails got highlighted, but it did. And I was pasting all of those in there. Yep, sometimes crazy stuff like that happens. It is what it is, right? All right, let's change the name, figure it out, and then proceed, right? Figure it out, fix it, move on. All right, there's that. And then we want to change this where it says first name to the first name tag that we use in MLGS. This is the appropriate prompt that MLGS has for us to allow the email to use the recipient's name. Okay, and now this is the part where we copy that right there, your referral link, copy that, and then first I'll put it right here where it says my Legion secret. Always a good place. Insert the link, paste and apply, and then we will put another one and see if you're interested in giving a try. You can check it out here. So first, I'm just going to delete that, put in a period, and then I will highlight check it out here, make it bold, and left click or right click on it and insert the link, paste and apply. All right, so we've got our header, our greeting, 2 spots for our affiliate links, our sign off, got our name, and then your postscript. If you guys are using a postscript, let me know in the comments, and let me know if it is working out for you. Now, my postscript may be different from yours. If you don't have a YouTube channel, then you're probably not going to be using this one. Click on image, below to fast track your success. I want to fast track your success. All right. So that is my postscript, and I will also be placing in an image and putting a link in that image. All right, so this sucker's ready to rock and roll. The next thing we'll do, let's grab the subject line. Copy that. Head over to the mailing system, select my leads. Paste that in there, go grab the rest of it. Copy. Control V it in. Change the size, going 16. Perfect timing. And click back in here, and then right under the PS is where I'm going to place my image, which I'll be grabbing from my EIA. And if you want to know more about EIA, I have a series on my YouTube channel explaining that. And if I just click on this image here, then I can plug in the URL. Put that in, make sure you put a width. I'm using the 200. And next, I will go to YouTube. And this is my playlist. And all I need is that URL. So I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to head back, highlight the image, click on the chain link there, paste it, and there we go. So this is all good. Next thing you want to do is make sure we preview. Always want to preview it. Check your links. Make sure they're working. There it is. I hope this one works. Oh yeah, and make sure this link works. Yeah, there it is. So everything's working. Close this out, send email, and that's it. And that's all there is to it. Simple. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. If you want to know where to get emails, I showed you one way. When we start to use ClickBank, there are, I do have in the description of my YouTube. Actually, give me a second. I'll head there now. And so if you're on a video, we'll go to this one. Make sure it's muted. Okay, it's muted. And if you just go to the description, you click more, and then there's my lead gen secret. So this here is the link to MLGS, and then this is a link to the Google Docs that has emails for a lot of different offers, a lot of the ones that we use. I do have these Google Docs where I've actually or have permission to use these in here that you guys can have from John Artsberger, he's who I learned this method from, and his email list is a little more organized. So that's kind of why I use this one, maybe a little easier to follow. When I was first getting started in doing this, it just wasn't as neat. It's gotten way better over time. You want to make sure that every new offer that I start, I make sure I label it so I know that, so like if we're doing MLGS, I'll make sure I'll just put that in at the top, MLGS, and then the next 5 emails is going to be offers promoting my lead gen secret. And then whatever I decide to promote next, that'll be another header. So that way you can see, it'll be easier to find things and if you have to go back to it, and it makes it easier for you guys to find those as well. All right. Also, I do have a Facebook group. If you guys, you're invited to my Facebook group. Be part of the community. I would love to interact with you guys on there as well. with other like-minded uh, uh, people just like us. And then there's the EIA Catalyst. You can go there and you can check that out. That is that's Endless Income Academy. That is my website to get you there. All right, I think that's it. If there, like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to text me, leave me a comment. I appreciate you guys. It's getting kind of late on my end. It is like midnight here. A couple quick things that I just want to mention before I shut this video down for the evening is I went live last night. It was kind of late. I wanted to. I've been talking about going live. I've been trying. I had talked about way earlier in my videos about reaching 50 subscribers just so I can go live. I want to try and do more live videos. They could be random things. Some stuff that I'll be working on this one. I did do day 51 on there, but not traditionally day 51 because I was kind of bouncing around. I actually, another fellow member from Endless Income Academy was doing a live on TikTok and got a notification that I was going live. So he hopped on and uh, gave me a little hello and said that he was doing a TikTok live. So I got on his TikTok and then he plugged me in. So now I was on his TikTok uh, and doing the live at the same time. So if you go back and you watch the live, that's who I'm talking to. Was another fellow member, Sean is his name. And we were just conversating through the whole thing and, doing different stuff. Was showing him some things. And I was going through uh, trying to do the day 51 MLGS stuff. So if you are looking for day 51, you'll have to go, if you go to my YouTube channel, it should be I think it was in the series. It should be right in the series. I can, actually that's up. Let me check it out. Let me bring you back over here. Let me check it real quick if it's in the series, because I think it was. I think I saw it was at the very top. Yep, there it is. So I was able to put that in the series. So you can just go ahead and follow it. Day 51, there it is. It says live. Yep, it's an hour and a half. So if you can just watch it at your pace, that's entirely up to you, man. There is nothing fancy about it. I'll just be upfront with you. But if you just kind of want to check that out and see how day 51 went, you just will have to be patient because I really didn't wrap anything up until the very end. So I mean, if you wanted to fast forward through it or whatever and do that, or you can just listen to one half of a conversation of me with Sean. If you guys got anything out of this, and it was kind of slow, low drive. Like I said, it's late. I've had a really long day. I installed a sink and vanity in our bathroom today, so it's kind of drained from just in plus other activities. Dog to the groomers, taking kids to football games and picking them up. So it's been one long day. I'm ready to go catch some Z's. I thank you guys for being here. If you made it this far, you guys, as always, you're troopers. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a like if you found some value in this, or I mean, if you didn't, that's fine. Actually, if you didn't find any value in this, I don't even know why you were still sticking around to even hear me tell you to give me a like. Subscribe if you want to continue to follow, and hit the notification bell so that way you can get notified whenever I put out another video or whenever I go live. But I will try to, this time when I do another live, I will put out a notice, and I'll try and put it out as far as I can, so that way you get notified of when that's coming out and you can be a little more prepared and ready for that to go down. And we'll just see how that goes. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I really am. All right, guys, go ahead and click over here so I can give you my proper sign off. I will see you in the next video.